What's up, learners? We are here with a new series of competitive coding. In this series, we will solve competitive question problems with detailed explanation of solution as well as data structures and algorithms used for solving them, so that even newbie won't struggle in getting the concept of the problem. So if you are preparing for a coding challenge or you want to crack coding interview and you are learning competitive coding, you can follow along with us to strengthen your skills and get fluent in coding. Let us look at the step-by-step procedure in which we are solving the problem. First, we'll understand the question, then we'll go for a possible solution. After that, we'll discuss about data structure and algorithm that are to be used for solving the problem, followed by actually writing the code. We'll also check for complexity of our code and if possible, we'll optimize it. Without any further ado, let's begin. LeetCode question number 344. Reverse string. So let us understand the question first. Write a function that reverses string. The input string is given as an array of character s. So we have to write a function that would reverse a string, but the string isn't in the format of a string. It is in the format of like array of characters. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O of 1 extra memory. So we don't have to create another string or array to do this, but we have to modify the same array that is array of character by using just simply one extra O of 1 extra memory. So this simple problem, this is in the example we can see we have given like a character h in first element of array, e second, third, l, l, o. So similar, the output is like a reverse of that characters, o then l then l then e then h, similar to this example. So it doesn't took anything much logical, I hope so, if you know the concept of reversing. Let me give you brief description of reversing. Okay, like swapping. So suppose you have three glasses, glass 1, glass 2 and glass 3, and you have some kind of liquid fill in them, like this glass would have yellow liquid, this glass would have some blue liquid, and you have to put the blue liquid in glass 1 and yellow in glass 2. So you can't do this without mixing it, or you need an extra glass to do this. So this is the extra O of 1 memory that we are using. Suppose now with this extra third glass, we can do this simply by putting, like, suppose we first put the blue liquid in the glass 3. So we put the blue liquid in glass 3, and now we can put the yellow liquid in glass 2. So we have to put yellow liquid in glass 2, so that is yellow liquid in glass 2 and blue liquid in glass 3. Now simply we can move the liquid of glass 3 to glass 1, that is blue to 1 glass 1. Okay, and we did it by, now our liquids are swapped, and this is simply the concept of swapping, nothing else it would take. Now let's get back to our LeetCode problem and write the code. So we are using like 2 pointers to swap the elements, and we are using just simply swapping techniques. So suppose first is t start, and it would be like 0. It would be starting from the 0th index, and int end would be like s dot length minus 1. So actually s dot length minus 1 function gives the number of elements in the s array, and because we use minus 1 because s dot length gives the number of elements in the array s, and minus 1 would decrement it because we have to traverse from like 0 to length minus 1 characters. Now nothing else, we have to do simple swapping while start is less than equals to n, or we have to do simply just swap it. So suppose character of temp, this is the extra memory we are using, O of 1 equals s of start, and now s of start could be like s of end, and now s of n should be temporary variable what we have storing temp. Okay, simple. Now each time we do this, we have to increment start by 1, start plus plus, and decrement end by 1. Simple. Let us check if it works or not. Yeah, it works. Let's submit our code. Yeah, it is faster than 95.4% and use less memory than 82. So it is pretty much better code. But if you do have any other better approach, you can comment down below. And thanks for watching.